So let's take a look at how some of the most basic image editing functions of Photoshop CS4 are easily 200% faster than previous versions. Now in this example, we have a basic selection of a tie and we want to adjust that part of the image. These basic image adjustments are some of the most common tasks in Photoshop. Now first, let's look at the old way of doing things. We'll start by going up to the Image menu. Then we go over to Adjustments, and then in this slightly awkward subcategory, we have all of these other adjustments. We need to find the one we want, which in this case is Hue and Saturation. And that opens up this really big dialog box that has all sorts of cool features, but the obvious problem is it covers over what we're working on. So first we need to move that dialog box out of the way so we can see the image. And now we're going to make some adjustments, like boost up the saturation, and maybe we'll actually change the color of that tie. So I think that's good. Now I just need to slide the dialog back over and click OK to confirm that change. Now let me undo that just with a simple keyboard shortcut and show you the new way of doing this in Photoshop CS4. Instead, we just look at the Adjustments palette here, which is front and center by default. Click the icon that represents the category we want to edit, in this case, Hue and Saturation. And right here, I just bump up my saturation, play with the colors, and I'm done. Easily 200% faster, so much less mousing around the screen, and the best part of all, Photoshop is doing the heavy lifting for you and creating masks and non-destructive adjustment layers, so at any time down the road you can always change your mind. Just a few of the powerful enhancements to Photoshop CS4.